At the Indo-Defense 2022 Expo and Forum, held by the Ministry of Defense of the Republic of Indonesia from November 2nd to 5th in Jakarta, Indonesia, Edge Company presented Tariq, a modular, precision-guided munition, as a game-changer for future combat. Tariq itself is a designation from a missiles and weapons cluster inside Edge, namely Tariq, one of the world's top 25 military contractors. The first of its kind, the missile system pioneers a high-tech manufacturing of long-range precision-guided munition, or LRPGM solutions, with the company producing technologies to assist the UAE's Make It in Emirates initiative, while expanding the capabilities of the UAE Air Force. The Tariq has already reached significant milestones since it was first produced. It was built with advanced technologies which turn unguided aerial weapons into smarter, longer-range, focused munitions. It was developed for the MK81 and MK82 aerial bombs that can be used to expand striking capability. The Tariq bomb kit allows mission commanders to construct ordnance with or without wings, giving them two range options: a non-wing configuration for close-range targeting and a winged configuration for long standoff ranges to increase pilot safety. These, therefore, make the Tariq a sophisticated tactical system with all-weather, day or night operational capabilities to meet operational demands for extended standoff ranges. According to the installation of the wing mentioned above, the Tariq comes into two versions. A winged kit changes the Tariq S, or standard range model, to the Tariq LR, or long range. The Tariq was intended for the two smallest bombs in the MK80 low-drag general-purpose range. The Tariq guidance kit installed on the MK81 and MK82 allows troops to aim with higher precision and a lower explosive profile. The 250-pound MK81 is suited for tiny targets with a short explosion radius, while the 500-pound MK82 is ideal for bigger, more durable targets. However, the Tariq's LRPGMs are designed for the MK81, MK82, and MK83 aerial bombs, as well as the 551-pound and 992-pound high-speed, low-drag payloads. Depending on the user's needs, a penetration payload for engaging fortified installations can be included. Further to this, the Emirati defense firm Edge said that the Tariq bomb guidance system can now be utilized with 1,000-pound MK83 warheads. This was proven on the Dubai Air Show, which took place from November 14th to 18th, 2021. The Tariq's combined 250-pound MK81 and 500-pound MK82 bombs gives the weapon system a standoff ranges from 24.8 miles to 30 miles. In contrast, with the fold-out wings variant, the Tariq can launch for 75 miles. The Tariq LRPGMs were designed with three seeker configurations: the Global Navigation Satellite System, or GNSS-INS, the GNSS-INS semi-active laser for enhanced accuracy versus moving targets, and the GNSS-INS imaging infrared with automatic target recognition. Specifically, the GNSS uses GPS and GLONASS to offer aiming based on programmed coordinates. This low-cost option is suitable for big stationary targets, while the combination between imaging infrared and automated target recognition with a supplied target picture improves targeting. This, in conjunction with GPS and GLONASS, leads to improved accuracy for smaller stationary targets. On the other hand, a semi-active laser with GPS and GLONASS results in exceptional accuracy, even with small, portable, and moving targets. The use of laser spot reflection in conjunction with GPS and GLONASS coordinates guarantees the maximum level of precision. A GNSS anti-jamming solution can also be added, ensuring mission success in the face of several high-powered GPS jammers. The MK83 model has a conventional GNSS guidance system accuracy of less than 10 meters CEP, which reduces to less than 3 meters CEP when utilizing the optional semi-active laser or imaging infrared seekers. The Tariq offers compatibility and ease of use. Even with diverse configurations, it enables easy integration and operation by both ground staff and aircrew. The Tariq's electrical interface is designed to meet the MIL-STD 1760 and interfaces smoothly onto all aircraft systems. The Tariq is easily carried by both medium and large fighter aircraft and offers maximum versatility with 3 seeker variants, 2 range options, and 2 bomb options. Alternatively, the Tariq also provides the flexibility of not needing system integration, allowing for rapid deployment or rapid modifications to changing mission needs. In this situation, the Tariq system may be wirelessly operated using a mobile tablet. As a result, the system can be configured in a variety of ways, while simultaneously serving as a fire and forget system. Besides that, the integration of the Tariq system onto a new generation penetration warhead represents a turning point for the industry, allowing it to field such a purpose-built warhead on the guidance kit. This additional capacity improves the capacity of neutralizing key infrastructure of the Tariq munition, such as bridges, reinforced bunkers, control centers, and fortified locations by using the warhead's superior penetrating performance. In brief, the top features of Tariq munition include single modular kit for MK81 and MK82 weapons, standoff range up to 75 miles or 120 kilometers, high accuracy with 3 seeker options, dual mode seekers, wireless or MIL-STD 1760 integration, ITAR-free solution, day or night operation, all-weather functionality, single system for unified training, operations integration, in the field reconfiguration for changing mission requirements, compatible with any platform. Although Tariq Company's innovative approach, along with a team of highly experienced senior engineers and growing local talent, has resulted in unrivaled versatility of LRPGMs, the company intends to continue adding new features and capabilities to its mission-proven airborne system, distinguishing itself as a distinct player in the international PGM market. Therefore, the update to Block 2 requirements completed last year include a slew of cutting-edge innovations. The upgrade featured an improved navigation solution, a height-of-burst sensor, HOBS, which allows the LRPGMs to use airburst applications, digital integration on aircraft that need either MIL-STD 1760 or Digibus interface, and a power pack, which provides pre-flight power to the PGMs. The new power pack also increases mission flexibility by using cockpit fuse programmability. Moreover, the Tariq Block 2 weapon system integrates the most recent global navigation satellite system receiver technology, as well as a very advanced GPS anti-jamming solution, making it highly successful in neutralizing its target. The Tariq Division CEO, Thunis Botha, states that the Tariq Block 2 upgrade is currently in full-scale production, with the company capable of generating 2,000 units per year. In addition, the company also provides a comprehensive turnkey solution that includes PGM kits, testing equipment, documentation, and training to enable efficient implementation anywhere in the globe. In conclusion, the modular nature, programming flexibility, long standoff ranges of up to 75 miles, and all-weather, day or night operational capabilities of the Tariq system allow it to adapt as the military operations change. Also, the integration of anti-jamming technology, a penetration payload, and MK83 aerial weapons onto the long-range precision-guided munition kit has been accomplished, exemplifying Tariq Munitions' dedication in offering cutting-edge mission flexibility to the end user through innovation. So do you think the Tariq will be the ultimate precision-guided munition and a game-changer for future combat? That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.